Lower crotch length. Before you do this, you need to mark 2 inches below the waistline in both the front and the back. You mark the front, you mark the back, which is where you're going to place your tape from to get the lower crotch length. Then you place your tape at that position of the mark from the back. Take it underneath the crotch from that marked position down to the front at the marked position too, just like you see in the video. That marked position is where you're going to take your measurement, not the waistline where the string is tied. Look at it from the back, same thing in front. Then you take your measurement.